Got a train in front of a work site. That'd be Joseph's Mustang wheels. Still going. There's still a long train ahead of us, dude. She's got a train coming still far behind of us, too. This just happened right in front of me. A Norfolk Southern, this is a Norfolk Southern freight train in Greensboro. They're chugging away over here. Aha! We got a train coming by behind of us too. And active trains are watching. They're slowing down. We got a train slowing down here. They might be stopping here for a red signal. Red signal or something. They're slowing down big time. Slowing down. Train still goes under the bridge. Train going under the bridge. Train going under the bridge. Holy cow, I see a train. Okay, we're still going, guys. A freight truck got another freight. Got an engine at the back. Got an engine on the back. Got a locomotive, guys. We got a locomotive, here. Locomotive. Got big locomotives. Holy cow. That's it. Like, the train still goes from all over here. The train still continues, goes to the light right there too. Continue back over here. Go back. No good spot, but okay, let's go back. Okay, that's the side, that's the other side of it as well. Oh, that's the end of it right there. The end. That is synchronized to a train. Holy cow, that's awesome, brother. And that's the end. Time to ride to go, Greensboro.